Good afternoon, Captain Pascual. I'm Cadet Valenzuela, and this is my explanation and reporting to Annex to Regulation 13 to 17. Regulation 13. Control of discharge of oil. This regulation sets limits on the discharge of oil or oily mixtures from oil tankers. It prohibits the discharge of oil into the sea except under specific circumstances such as during normal ships operation or in case of an emergency. Regulation 14. Oil filtering equipment and oil content meters. Regulation 14 requires oil tankers to be equipped with oil filtering equipment and oil content meters. The oil content meters are used to monitor the oil content in the fluid discharge overboard, ensuring compliance with Regulation 13. Regulation 15. Crude Oil Washing (COW) System. Regulation 15 mandates that crude oil washing systems must be fitted on oil tankers constructed after a certain date. These systems are used to clean cargo tanks using the cargo itself crude oil as a washing medium, reducing the amount of oil residue in the tanks. Regulation 16. Oil Discharge Monitoring and Control System. Regulation 16 requires the installation of oil discharge monitoring and control system on oil tankers. Help monitor and record the oil discharge data, ensuring compliance with discharge regulation. Regulation 17. Reception Facilities. This Regulation 17 specifies that ports of terminal must provide adequate reception facilities for the disposal of oil residues and other pollutants from oil tankers. Yun lamang po, sir, and thank you.